warrior. It's almost 4 in the morning and you're in a nightmare, it's horrible. Right there's the coroner, waiting for you to turn the corner so he can corner you. You're a corner, he's on you. Out the corner.
Hi, it's Chris Hall here with MMA Buzz. I'm here with Clint. Clint, like you say your last name, like Nurenberger. I'll tell you what, that was an impressive 48-second win. What was your strategy going into that fight?
I wanted to get off first, throw my combos, work the legs. I did that. I saw him opening up with his head, so I just kicked those combos with the hands, landed a good uppercut, and finished it off.
How was your fight camp for this fight?
Fantastic, man. Factory X, best team in the world.
So this is your first event, Muay Thai or MMA. Do you have plans of fighting MMA in the future?
Absolutely. With my work schedule, it's kind of hard to get everything in, but eventually here I'm going to work the time in there for that.
Well, you look fantastic, amazing. You go ahead and thank your sponsors or whoever else you want to thank.
We got Performance MMA right here. They support me. They supported me through the whole way. There you go. Nothing but love coming from them. Factory X once again. Mark Montoya, Chris Camozzi, everybody there. Thanks to my family and friends. Thank you.
These shoulders hold up so much they won't budge. I'll never fall or fold up. I'm a soldier. Even if my collarbones crush or crumble, I will never slip or stumble.